Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Discord cannot ban user. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up the Discord app on your device. Once you're inside the Discord app, tap on the channel in which you want to ban the user. Tap on the hashtag of the channel. Here you must see the rules of the chat. Here you must see the different rules of the users on the channel. If the user is higher in hierarchy than you in role, then you'll not be able to ban that particular member of the channel. You must also check for the two-factor authentication requirement. For that, head over to the user settings by tapping on, and to head over to user settings, tap on your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Once you're here, tap on account and check if two-factor authentication is enabled over here. You can use the /ban command for users who left as well. The other thing that you can try and do if all other boxes check is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Discord, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Discord and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.